Good day, guys. It's Suren from Protech. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace LCD screen on Samsung S20 Ultra 5G. So we got a phone here with the cracked screen as well as LCD and the cracked back glass. As you can see, it's just damaged down the bottom and over top here. So let's go ahead and start it. So I'll be guiding you step by step what I should be doing. So I already set it up my heat gun over here. So first I'm gonna be start heating up the back glass in order to take it off. As glass is already being cracked, I'm not going to be really worrying about the glass, but if you're just doing the LCD, just be careful when you pulling this part out. Just trying a tiny bit of space to get inside the back screen. Now back screen is out, so I'm gonna keep it on a side. My hot gun can go away as well, so I'm not gonna be using that right now. Just to make some more space here. I'm going to take the SIM tray out first. Stay on the side. Then I'm gonna go ahead and start removing the screws. Should be the wireless charging pad. Lift it up and there are one more screw underneath there. My first task is to take the battery connector out. Put this back. These screws are, all screws are in a similar size, so I'm not really worrying about the certain place which it's going to be going back. So So after removing all those screws around the metal plate, you can disconnect the wireless charging pad on the top. Can come out. So this is the battery connection. So I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect that first to be safe. Then I can go ahead with the rest of the screws. I'm gonna go ahead and start removing all these cables. That's the LCD main connector cable. That's the bottom board cable. So once all these are out, next I'm gonna go ahead and also to tell you there's one more screw sitting down the bottom. That's something what I forgot, so make sure that's out as well, so it's hiding there. It can stay on the side. That's the connector for the front facing camera or your selfie camera. That can get disconnected. So now you'll be able to take the main board out from the frame. Take your time on this. Make sure you don't damage any cables, any connectors. That's your main board right there. Now I'm going to go to the bottom part of the phone. This is a good spot to start with, I think. That's your speaker. Now you can start removing these 3 screws down the bottom, and you can take the charging port out. You can push a little bit from this corner and it's going to come up quite easily. Stay there. So that's your vibrator motor. I'm going to keep that on the side as well. Then lastly, I'm going to go ahead and remove the battery. So I would like to use my previous method. So I'm not going to be too much worrying about the earpiece and the front-facing camera, as original service pack normally comes with those pre-installed. Normally I like to start installing the motherboard first. You got to lift this front-facing camera flex cable connector to the motherboard a little bit in order to make some clearance. Once you're pushing in, you're gonna sort of feel like it goes in its place. It looks like pretty secure to me. Start with inserting the front-facing camera connector. Make sure all your connectors are properly installed. Then I can go ahead and start installing this. Actually an antenna inbuilt in there. So you can start putting the screws back. You can test your screen at this stage if you like to. Just put your battery in, press the power button, it's gonna power up the phone if your battery have enough power. If not, you gotta plug this guy in to these two connectors, test the display. I have already tested my display, so I'm not gonna go ahead and do that. So go ahead and install this vibrator motor. Then now it's time to install the battery. I would like to connect the battery at last, after connecting all the other connectors. Then finally battery. You gotta do battery before your wireless charging pad, because it's out from the way. Alright, now the phone is back on. Our last step is to put the back screen. There's a very important step everyone keeps forgetting. There's a microphone on the back, just right there. So you got to take that off and put it in the new back screen. Otherwise, when you do any video recording, you won't get any voice for that. So keep that in mind, and let's go ahead and do that. So I'm gonna apply a little bit heat there, as there's an adhesive down the bottom. That comes quite easily. You can align with this tiny hole there. It's basically seating up with this square or rectangle. So that's pretty much it. We are all done. I'm gonna go ahead and glue around the back and put this back screen on. Make sure this is aligned properly. While you push it in, there shouldn't be any spaces. So yeah, I think that's all good to go. I'm just gonna use my previous method as always to clamp it and leave a few hours just for glue to get dry. So that's the end of our video. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you have any questions, comment below. I'll list where to buy the parts and what tools I'll be using. It would be great if you can like and subscribe our channel. That would be a big help for upcoming videos, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.